Good morning. Today is 14th of January and I am at Wayanad staying at this beautiful eco-friendly lodge at Wild Vibes. This is the sign. Of course I chose this place because it's middle in nature. I am in the Western Ghats in South India, Kerala, and it's beautiful. This jeep picks you up because the place is off-road. And I would like to start my morning activity here, just below this sign. It's true, they're using filters. It's true, it's for India. It is eco-friendly, although they don't switch off lights nowhere. I was the only guest yesterday, the only guest. And the lights everywhere, in every room, outside, inside, were on day and night. Well, I was very happy to check in here. And first I made a hike around the property to see the other locations, other rooms. And because they have several different rooms, to find a second room for me today, for the same day, because I cannot stay in my beautiful premium frame. It's booked. And unfortunately, my stay after 1 hour latest was just ruined. First, I started seeing garbage inside the property. But when I left the property, they have this beautiful little river, creek, with a waterfall, totally full of garbage. Any kind of garbage, the usual garbage. Pampers, trousers, plastic, bottles, glass bottles, everything. And as usually, I'm not ready to do my hike, my today's hike, and pass by all this garbage. That's why I complained yesterday immediately to the responsible and had a good reaction, I have to admit. A very good reaction, maybe the best. We will see. At least the reaction was good. So today they're providing me, the boys, their stuff to go there, and I will start my hike by cleaning it. Not alone, no, together with the staff. I think there are 5 boys. They don't speak English. I don't know their names. They're so complicated. I'll just introduce later my guide, Goku. He speaks very good English. He's postgraduate, and guess what he studied? He studied environmental studies, environmental science, I'm sorry. PG, so postgraduate. So he's the expert, and I'm very happy. I'm very curious what success we will have. I'm not, I'm really up to not to leave any plastic bottle behind on my whole hike. So the garbage plastic bag is my friend. It's coming with me. But the new thing is I'm not doing it alone. I'm not paying anyone. You know, maybe it's India. India still is maybe the most spiritual country and they believe in karma. I don't know why they're doing this. Probably they believe in karma. I don't think they're so much afraid of the feedback. So let's see how good we manage. I will show you what I mean. Just here at the reception, you see a no waste sign there, the yellow one behind the Jeep. And immediately here, you see this amazing plastic bottle. It's here, see? There. Maybe they don't understand the sign, I don't know. It's just, I know for India it's nothing, but I mean, eco-friendly, no waste. It looks like hypocrisy. I don't like it. And I want them to change for the one day that I'm staying here. I know tomorrow I leave and it's gonna be worse, it's gonna be the same, but I'm making a point and I'm doing it out of respect and love for nature because I will not enjoy the creek, I will not enjoy the nature here, I will not enjoy my hike, leaving it in this, leaving this beautiful piece of nature in this disrespectful state it is right now. So we're starting now. I got this small but many garbage bags and I think they're gonna be full. So on our way there you see the beautiful property, this amazing lodge. It's just amazing. I really enjoyed the bonfire yesterday here. I was the only guest and there is a sports place and gaming as usually in India, cafe, really amazing. Now we will pass my beautiful amazing room and we will start outside the property because I'm not cleaning people's properties, I'm cleaning it outside. But on our way back I will insist that they clean under my beautiful premium frame because it's full of garbage as well. Okay, I guess the hike starts, we start outside. On the way back we do here. So it's a beautiful hike now to the small creek with a waterfall. And what I found out today, at night, elephant families come to drink water there. Actually, I didn't know that yesterday. And this is amazing. And now I'm really motivated to clean up the, to clean up the space for the elephants. So maybe once tomorrow, the elephant family will come to the usual drinking spot and wander, enjoy more, not see so much garbage there, or maybe not see any garbage at all. This is my biggest dream for today. And after that, I think it's gonna take us 1 or 2 hours, depending on our standards. And after that, I will enjoy my hike, which I actually am here for, along the waterfalls to the forest. Oh my god, it's very steep here. So yeah, after this I will enjoy the hike. So I'll put down the camera now so I can proceed. I'm not so used to this kind of walks and I had a knee injury in summer, so I'm not so fit. I thought I was fitter, but yesterday I found out I'm not so fit. I cannot afford another knee injury. Okay, and now you see, this is the property. This is the property. It's just on the way. Look, construction garbage. This is not okay. Plastic. Disgusting. In the end, this is gonna be cleaned up. This is the bag I saw yesterday. I filmed yesterday already. This was my first disappointment yesterday. I was like, what? This was one of the first things I saw inside the property, but in the beginning I always don't want to believe it. Say, no, it just fell down. No, they're not like this. No, they're not hypocrites. It's a good thing. It's a good lodge. It's not a lie. No waste, no plastic. We're eco-friendly. No, it's true. First I was like this, but after I see in the creek, I was very angry, very upset, disappointed. Usual story. Okay, maybe I don't need to stop the video. We will see. This is the end of the property, the fence, and there's the beautiful creek where elephants, the whole family, they said, come to drink at night. That's why it's so dangerous to go there. From you'll never see them, but hey, they will know Wayanad was here. It's kind of also kind of a pleasure. It's not only the karma, giving something back to nature. It's also just my pleasure. Oh, that's nice. You already started. I'll have to put away the camera very soon. But first I will show you the state in which this place is. And then I will join the boys cleaning. Where's the second one? I don't know. I will show you the state. So he already started. We're gonna need lots of bags, but I have enough. So I'll show you the state of the creek. Goku, I will film it. Okay, so how dirty it is and how clean it is after. That's why. Okay, I'll come back. I'll leave the bags here because after we go there, don't lose them. Yep. Okay. So I showed you the spot. There is totally dirty, but first I will show you the beautiful spot in which state it is. Just heartbreaking that beautiful animals like elephants have to suffer from this littering. Unnecessary, just out of comfort, out of laziness, out of ignorance. And they cannot say, we're busy surviving, ma'am. Usually they say, oh ma'am, we're busy surviving, ma'am, you know, ma'am. It's not that we don't care. Oh, some locals. Or no, maybe there's the customers of wood monks. They like to come here. Boy, they like to come to enjoy nature. Of course they do. Right? So they cannot say, oh, we're busy surviving here, because they're not busy surviving. They're making vacations. They're earning money. It's not like a Mumbai slum here. It's not. I mean, I would not go to clean Mumbai slum. Good morning. Who knows how much garbage those left just now. Eating an ice cream or chips. Oh, this cow I saw yesterday, it was at the creek. Yeah. Ah, they're also, they're swimming. Amazing. See how they enjoy this place. Look. It's not so much, I know, we're in India, but I'm not hiking here. This is the baby Pampers. It's not so old, so they chose to leave it here. See? Oh, look at her. Oh, yeah, happy baby. Yeah. I'm glad you're happy, you're enjoying. Oh, see? Already I see Pampers. I swear this was not here yesterday. I have proof. Did they leave it here just now? They changed the kids' Pampers and left it there? Seriously? Possible. Probably they don't speak English. I'll not ask them. See? This is not gonna stay here. And neither this. And not this. I will pay my respect to this beautiful place. I know it's gonna stay one day, but I'm not the sun. I cannot give warmth to everyone, but if I can rescue one dog, of course I cannot rescue all. I will, because this is what I'm supposed to do. Guys, there are swings in your lodge. Use the swing. Please don't break the tree. You have a swing at home, right? You want to use our swing, like a real swing? The tree.
There is a swing there?
Yeah. Yeah. That's fun. How old are you? Let's see how far my two boys got. I mean, they're doing their job, right? This job was supposed to be done before I come or anyone comes. This job is supposed to be done every day when they hike here, twice a day. And the rest of the day they sit, lay back and do nothing. Called chilling, right? So once they have a real working day, and I hope the owner comes as well. Okay, 2 bags full, fine. I'll show the rest of the place, how devastated it is, and as well the property of wood monks. So wood monks is not only responsible for real pollution, but also for acoustic pollution. Yesterday until midnight, I could not even stay in my room, staying at another property. I'm at Wild Vibes, and this is Wood Monks. This is a different property. Maybe 200 meters, 300, 400 meters away. The music, the Indian music they were playing was so loud, I could not even stay in my bed. And this is already Wood Monks. See? This is the garbage on the hill. Old garbage. Coming from these beautiful cottages, right? But the manager said this is not from his guests. This is the village people who pass by here. That's why it's so much up there. I mean, it's obvious for a kid, for a 6-year-old, that this garbage is coming from this house. And that garbage, whoops, that garbage is coming from that house, right? See? It's coming from here. And this is like not, cottages are not so cheap, right? It's not a simple tent that they also have. So the customers who stay here, they're definitely not busy surviving. No, they just, I will not comment on that. I mean, it's a self-explanatory. You don't need to explain or comment, just see. But the shameless manager said that it's not his guest, or then in the end, as I proved, it was his guest. But still, the next step, that after his guests, he's supposed to clean with his tub, he doesn't understand. No, he doesn't. He said he complained to the forest department. Forest department is supposed to clean after your guests? Wood monks? Really? You expect forest department, maybe the British Queen, you expect to complain and be successful. Are you serious? And after I contacted the phone number on Google of wood monks, because at night I could not send anyone, not even my guide, to the wood monks property because it's dangerous, of snakes and elephants. So I decided to contact him, and I spent 1.5 hours discussing with him, waiting for him until the music stops. In the end, he said he will get on a bike and come here because he cannot reach his drunk stuff at Wood Monks. So this is Wood Monks, and they still have not come. Yesterday, I have a video, he said he will come at 7 o'clock even. They're still not here, so my guys will clean it. This Wood Monks, just a property, another beautiful property next to Wild Vibes. Let's see, we passed the beautiful cabins. I'll show in the end the cabins that I filmed before. And now, hi miss. Hi, nice to meet you. I'm Loriana. Do you work here? Do you work here?
Yeah.
Do you speak English a little bit?
Yes.
You're not a manager, but you're a staff, right?
Staff, right.
What position do you have? What position do you have? You do bookings, or you're cleaning here, or the kitchen? What do you do? I'm not filming you, don't worry, just the legs.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, there is a problem. I was today, I just checked in at the neighbor, and I was walking at the creek, at the river. And you have these beautiful houses, these 3 houses, very beautiful. I like very much. Unfortunately, down there, it's full of garbage and plastic. All kind of garbage that does not belong there. What?
Another person.
Another person, of course, this is your guests. So the people, yes, exactly. And outsider, of course, yes, sure, sure. And do you think you are somehow responsible to clean it sometimes, maybe once a week?
Every week, one time.
Every week, one time. Yeah. Maybe you would like to do it tomorrow, because if not, I have to put it online. You want to do it tomorrow? What time? Because we're doing it at 7, right?
After 12.
No, tomorrow. Because if not, we'll put it on. I'm leaving after tomorrow. It's only tomorrow I have time, because I'm checking out. So we will clean up with the Wild Vibes tomorrow morning at 7. Right? I have all the videos of... Yeah, I can show you the videos. Really nice property you have.
ഞാൻ ഫോറസ്റ്റിൻ്റെ അടുത്തില്ലേ ഒരുപാട് പ്രാവശ്യം അവർക്ക് കംപ്ലൈൻറ്റ് ചെയ്തു. ഒരുപാട് പ്രാവശ്യം ഇവിടെ വരുന്ന വണ്ടിക്കാരും മറ്റു ബിരിയാണിക്ക് പോകുന്നതിന് അവിടെ സാധനം ഇവരെന്താ പറയുന്നത്, നിങ്ങൾ നമ്പർ നോട്ട് ചെയ്ത് ഒരു നമ്പർ നോട്ട് ചെയ്തിട്ട് ഇവർക്ക് കൊടുത്തിട്ട് ഇവരെന്താ പറയുക, വണ്ടിക്കാർക്ക് പോയി പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുക ആ പ്രോപ്പർട്ടിയിലെ ഉദ്ദേശിച്ചത് അവർ നന്നാണ് നമ്പർ ചെയ്ത്. ഇവരങ്ങനെ പറയാൻ പോലും ലാസ്റ്റ് എനിക്കല്ല വള്ളി വരിക, രാത്രി ഇറ്റടി എനിക്കടാ വള്ളി വരിക, അതാണ് സംഭവം.
Mr. Sir, excuse me. I know it's not you and it's not your guests. It is the people from the village, from outside. Maybe tourists from England, from Germany, from France. It doesn't matter. This is your property. You make money here. And you make money, you are here because it's beautiful forest. And the creek is beautiful, right? Your guests, they like to go there. So it's your responsibility. If you disagree, to clean up with me today, tomorrow in the morning. Tomorrow morning, we do it as well. I will put it online. Okay? Good. I'm very happy. Thank you. Because it's also their responsibility to cooperate with the neighbors. And my stay was ruined yesterday by the daytime stay, by this, all of it. And the nighttime, I was going to enjoy the forest, the sounds of the forest on my beautiful, beautiful terrace that I have. Middle in the forest. But I could hear Indian music. Indian music. Can you imagine? instead of forced sounds. How disrespectful is this to nature, to all the animals living here in this forest, to clients not from your property? And how disrespectful is it from the side of my property, Wild Vibes, to let the neighbor wood monks do that? And I tried to reach Wild Vibes, several channels, the booking lady, I don't have the number of the owner, my guide Goku, who is right now cleaning, and no one answered. So if something really bad or dangerous would have happened to me, or really I needed help, I would be alone. And they say, well, we didn't have connection. I was calling on the phone, they just didn't react. And today in the morning, you think someone of them asked me, how was your night? What happened yesterday? No, they still didn't know. They still don't know. At 9 o'clock, I reached them, and she still didn't read the WhatsApps, the videos I sent her yesterday. This is the booking lady from Wild Vibes. See? Yeah. Now, in the end, this will not be here. Not at all. And that's my purpose. I'm not doing so much today. It's not my job. It's their job. I am really tired of course, if they didn't do it, I would do it. Because in this country, you cannot pay anyone. According to the caste system, they would rather starve to death than clean something. I learned that already. You know. So I would do it. But luckily, till now, they're doing it. They're doing their job that they're supposed to do once a day since they work here. Luckily, Loriana came. My guide said, Goku said, I'm the first guest ever in his life even speaking about this or complaining about garbage inside or outside their property. Is this not sad? Okay, look how beautiful it is. Can you imagine elephants come here at night to drink more water? Maybe they stand here and they drink water, the whole family. But that's why we come here, right? To experience this, to cherish this. And maybe tomorrow, no, this night, I'll be very happy to know, I will not see it, but I will know, sitting in my room, that elephants are enjoying a cleaner creek than in the past, I don't know, decades, years, months, weeks. How many bags do we have? Not bad, boys, not bad. Okay, so let's see. Let's see. Very good, amazing. Very happy. Yes, boys, let's go on. We have much more to do. Yes. Okay, I will stop the video now because I will also take a back. Is he going for a swim? Oh my god. What is he doing there? Curious, so curious. Good morning.
No.
Is he fishing? Fishing? Yeah? Oh, nice. Fish? Knife. Wood. Cut wood. Cutting. Okay. Unfortunately, they don't speak English, so I don't know what he's cutting. I'm so curious what he was going to cut with this machete. Yeah. Oh, there's ants. Oh no, something else. Oh, these shoes is garbage. The shoes, mister. Shoes? Ah, yeah. It is garbage because there are two shoes. I thought they're not garbage, but this is garbage. Okay. This is really disgusting, but they didn't have time for me, see? But they have time for pictures. Very honest people. Already used to this. Let's get that bottle. It really annoyed me yesterday already. Hurry up, guys. You come late. Such a lie. They said they're gonna check out. They didn't want to make a video with me 5 minutes. Sometimes I get angry. I shouldn't. Oh, you're one of them? You're together?
Yeah.
Thank you. So one of them is helping me. Okay. Oh, I think something nice was inside. Wheat. Okay. And this one and unfortunately Wild Vibes didn't have proper bags, so we have this, but we have a lot. Oh my god, it's already falling apart. I will leave it here. You see, it's not so much. Of course, this is not so productive, but it's all we have. And I'm like middle of nowhere. I cannot go to the supermarket and get bags. So I'll leave it here. Please come there. It's very dirty. Thank you. That's my favorite spot because it's so beautiful. And it really broke my heart yesterday to see it in this state. Really disgusting. So disgusting. It's so beautiful, right? So beautiful. Look at it. Please video the garbage. See? It's gonna be gone in 10 minutes. Wish me good luck. You can stay here. You can stay here filming. Okay. Thank you so much. I'm so grateful to you. You cannot imagine. I don't know your name.
Yeah, my name is
Thank you so
Adish.
What?
Adish.
Ash, thank you. I don't have enough stuff, you know. Stuff is busy, so they're cleaning there. Oh. This bag is already This was a single garbage bag that I didn't take with my hand. So disgusting. See, just one spot there. One grab is this. This looks good. Wow, I can't believe it. Woo. The Pampers. I will take the Pampers, but not with my hand. See, there is another one. We'll take it when we hike there. So my garbage hike today. I mean, what can we do, right? See this Pampers? I will not touch it. Oh, you're so disgusting. Can you do that? Right? And there's like also a toilet, like a free toilet. She could change the Pampers there and put it there. It's a free toilet there. Also full of garbage, but it's a toilet. I used it yesterday. Where's my boys? Choco! Come on, I need more bags. Right? Okay. What's your name again?
Adish.
Ash. Okay, I know you need to go. And I'm so grateful to you.
Thank you.
Thank you
Thank
so much.
So you are doing a wonderful show.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you for cleaning.
Thank you so much.
We didn't start any initiative. What you started initiative?
Thank you. It's my duty as a tourist. I'm visiting and I took the flight to India. This is already something bad. So I love nature, so I need to give something back. I cannot enjoy if I don't give back. It's love and respect.
Thank you.
Just follow me, my
Okay,
example.
Sure.
Thank you so
Your
much.
name?
Loriana. I can give you my channel.
Okay.
Yes? Okay, just stop the video. These people just don't understand in a nice way. I'm sorry, but he says, I'm your friend, I'm helping you. No, you're not my friend. You're not helping me. I'm your customer, I'm paying your salary. You're doing your job, and I make you do your job so I can enjoy my good conscience staying here, you know? Yesterday, my day was ruined. I told him in the morning. By the plastic at the daytime and by the acoustic pollution at nighttime. And whether he, not his boss, nor the booking lady reacted. After midnight, I was calling them, reaching out to them, and they didn't know I'm calling them. And today in the morning, they still didn't know. Oh, another boy's coming. Luckily. Oh, the driver boy comes. Oh, we have a big bag. Who sent us this big bag? God? Oh. Wow. See? When I asked them to be productive, they know how to do it. Now they found a big bag. Because otherwise they have to carry many small bags they didn't want, so they found. Good boys. So I'm not cleaning one bottle at Woodmonks. That's a principle. They will do it. So next time, Woodmonks litters, maybe they open their mouth. And next time Woodmonks put the music so loud that their guests cannot enjoy the room, maybe they open their mouth and say something. Listen, Woodmonks, we're neighbors, you know, and you have to respect our customers. Our customers are complaining, Woodmonks, because you are playing your music so loud that our customer cannot sleep in our hotel. So ridiculous. Oh, who is that? Oh my God. Who are you? Hi. Oh, nice to see you. Oh, you're from Woodmonks. You're cleaning. Thank you so much. See, my boys clean, help you. Clean. Very good. I cannot believe it. Oh my God, they are actually cleaning. They kept their promise. Thank you, dear God. Oh, oh my God. I cannot believe it. This was not in vain. I talked like till after midnight. I was on the phone with the manager of Wood Monks because I had to find out the number, telephone number in Google, because the music was so loud and I didn't want to send Goku because he had to pass through the forest and there's elephants, there's snakes. I didn't want to endanger him. And besides, I could not reach him on the telephone, so I had to go to the reception. I preferred to not to. I controlled myself. And actually, I threatened him that I will put everything online, the manager of Wood Monks, if the staff will not clean this by today 10 a.m. It's later, but I mean, they're cleaning. I cannot believe it. That's amazing. Wow. So God does exist. Thank you. Good job. Yes. Wow. I'll even help them. See this disgusting toothbrush. Everything has to go. Yes. Wow. There is God in heaven. There is one. He heard my prayers. Oh, amazing. I could get really emotional right now. They are actually doing it. This is the best reaction I ever had. This is a better reaction than any five-star hotel I did it with. Any other lodge. Seriously, still India is a spiritual country. People believe in karma, and I have to admit it. I don't think they're doing it because they're afraid of some bad review. I don't think they care so much. I think they do it. They do it for karma, because they do love nature. They do have respect for nature, and they. Hello. What is that one doing there? Picking up garbage, right? Yeah, that's also my boy. Yeah. Uh-huh. Who are you talking with? Your girlfriend? Huh? Whatever. Should pick up that bottle too. And that one. Uh, Unfortunately, I cannot get there. I was trying yesterday, but I'm too stupid to jump over the stones. Besides, I have only these shoes, so if they get wet, I will have wet shoes till I arrive home 2 days later in Germany, and really I don't want that. It's disgusting. So I will not. Amazing. That one I meant. See, is it a bottle? Wait. No, it's not a bottle. It's a stone. Okay, amazing. It looks so clean now, right? I don't see anything big anymore. Amazing. Thank you guys, white monks, wood monks, thank you, thank you. Namaste. This is how it can look, right? It was how many hours? 2 hours? Yeah, we were 3 people. I didn't do so much as usually, but let's say it was 2 productive people, really productive ones. It was not so much garbage, but you seen how many bags we have? Many bags. Many small bags. This is the rest. I'll take it up. Oh, I thought it was a secret spot, but it isn't. Okay. Goodbye, beautiful creek. And let the elephants enjoy their drink here tonight. Yeah. Amazing. There's just no, don't worry. I take this. Whew. Yeah, there's just a little more. I'll go help the other one. So we actually finish this bullshit. I mean, this amazing morning activity. It's just under the balcony where I can see. Yeah, not okay. Other clients do it, but this is inside your property, guys, right? It is. Sorry to say, but it's all over. Yeah. And this is premium free. Deserves better. Whew, my God. So hot. Good boy. This is how you learn. Whew. Next time your clients litter, you watch and you say something and don't ignore it. Yeah, see how much it is, Goku? It's very much, right? So you understand, I didn't enjoy yesterday. I did not. I came to my balcony, my beautiful terrace, and I see this garbage. And everything I felt, upset, guilty. I'm a tourist, I'm supporting this. I'm paying money here, so I'm supporting this. I don't want to feel guilty when I travel. I want to feel happy. You know? I'm paying for that. So, please don't tell me next time. There's one more, the red one. Just to the right side, where you are. Red label, yes. I hate it. See it all the time. And, of course, there's more. So, next time the guests will stay here, you tell them, don't litter. Right? And maybe you're angry with them when they do. I don't mean you, I mean the property, the owner, all the stuff. But of course, I also mean you. See? This beautiful place. And I did my yoga and meditation here in the morning today. It was amazing. Unfortunately, I could not enjoy the sound of the forest yesterday night because of wood monks. But I forgive them because they did clean today. That's okay. They need to learn. I'm the only tourist, I'm the first visitor, Goku said, I'm the first visitor who ever had a problem with this issue. They never had a visitor who ever complained about garbage and of course not about noise pollution. So I'm the first one. And I'm very, very happy that they are actually doing it, that they are actually doing their job. This is not a normal reaction by every hotel. You know, so many other hotels just don't. 5-star hotels. And they do. And I explained this by India being still the most spiritual country. This needs to go to. And that they have... There's just a little bit more down the balcony and then we can finish. Because if I don't see, I don't see. You know, it's important what I see. You know, because there's just so much under the leaves and in the bushes, it's impossible. Just the visible. We're just making a point. Maybe your friends can help you. And they're not coming back, right? Ah, okay. I'm sorry that's so much. I don't even see it. But appreciate it. You have so good eyes. Please just do in front of my balcony and let's finish it. Just in front here, under the terrace. This is too much, sweetheart. That's too much. Just here in front of the balcony. This couple, no, down in front. No, here. Yes, I know that's more. I know. Oh my God, yes, I know. See, once you start, it's like an addiction. You cannot finish, right? Where is that guy? This is the beautiful forest that I want to pay respect to. So now we're gonna wash our hands and faces, have a drink, and then go for a hike. And I know, I know I'm gonna enjoy it because I deserve it. I deserve to enjoy this hike. This is again Wild Vibes, Wayanad in the Western Ghats of Kerala, southern India. I think today is 14 of January 2026. And I'm gonna check in Mushroom and then enjoy my hike. The actual reason why I'm here.